Deserted in the noontime's shimmering, pouring sun, your hillsides stained with heather and with fern. The moss and peat mould of your glen, your meadow grass, the rich bright field and cornyard of the saints. The nettles multiply beside your rain-washed stones, showering their autumn seeds over the slabs. The grunting sheep have drowned the chanted psalms. Long since, the fiddle still broken its bow. Blows the wind today, and the sun and the rain are flying. Blows the wind on the moors today and now, where about the graves of the martyrs the whelps are crying. My heart remembers how. Grey recumbent tombs of the dead in desert places, standing stones on the vacant wine-red moor. Hills of sheep and the howls of the silent vanished races, and the winds austere and pure. Be it granted me to behold you again in dying, hills of home, and to hear again the call. Hear about the graves of the martyrs the peewees crying, and hear no more at all. The orchard starved, the green field fallow now, a recreated desert in God's place. You were the seagull's land when time began, and still the seagull hangs from its own wings.